been through a lot of different cookers, but this is my favourite. It's quiet, relatively safe. I mean, this is the one that I burnt my tent down with. Yeah, and the tip is filling that fuel before you put this on, because when you've got this on, it forces you to have the fuel much higher than this container, and you spill it. I mean, obviously you can take that burner out, but then in the handling down, you might spill it as well. Putting that on, you could spill it as well. Just don't overfill it, because once that fuel spills out there, if you've got anything flammable near it, you're in trouble. And that's what happened to us. All right, just get the lighter.